Good evening, everybody. Family and Steve here once again. It is Tuesday, December the 19th, 2023. This here is a three-way touch lamp. This was something that we got about a couple of days ago, from what I know. This is a really cool looking lamp, and the lamp is in overall decent shape. However, it was a little dirty, and had a few small issues, but I got it cleaned up, and I've got it all fixed up here. I do not have any information or whereabouts about this lamp. I've seen them here and there, but I don't know what company manufactured them. I don't even know how old it is, but maybe you can chime in and let me know in the comment box and feed me some information about this. I do believe this is a 17 or an 18 inch, and this has got like a copper, kind of like a copper finish to it. It's got some weight behind it to it. This thing is not particularly light. There's the lampshade. It's made out of glass. It's got a really cool design in there. This was a little dusty when we first got it, but I wiped it down with a damp cloth, cleaned up nicely. It's made out of aluminum, as well as the shade itself is made out of glass. This is the power cord that came with it. I know this can't possibly be anything older than about 30 or 40 years old because of the style of the cord. And I'm certain that this could be the original, but I am not exactly sure. It's a really cool looking lamp. It is a see-through there, which was something that I remember seeing on a lot of lamps that we had when I was growing up. And the cord is in really good shape too, by the way. It's not cracked or frayed anywhere. There's the grommet there. It is a little loose there, but it's secure. There is the base. Looks to be good and stable. I mean, it's good and sturdy. Nothing on it's loose. If there was an information tag on this, it would have been on the bottom of the base, which is long gone. And I'll go ahead and I'll very carefully put this on its side here to I'll show you what I did. There was the electricals that come out through the base here, and it's basically just like this little power box that was dangling out, and I just held that into place with some electrical tape, and I just took a piece of cardboard and trimmed that out and stuffed it under here, so that's no longer a problem. But I do know that this had an information tag to it at one point. Here's a look at the inside. And there are the bulbs there. This is a three-way touch lamp, so these are sensor operated, which I think is really cool. So in other words, all you have to do is just stick your hand under there and it turns right on. Here's the top of it there. I think you just unscrew this. Go ahead and I'll very carefully get this taken off. I don't have my tripod on me, so I'm going to be extremely careful with this. Okay, so now I've got the shade off, so now we can have a closer look at the inside here. These are all done with yellow lights, as you can see. One of them is not working. I tested it before I started the video, but I'm just gonna put that into the I'm gonna put that in the description anyway. And finding a replaceable bulb for this shouldn't be a problem, and hopefully it's not going to have anything to do with the quality of the video either. This lamp is very well built, and I just love the way that it looks. Okay, let's go ahead and put the shade back on, and I will give a demonstration of this. We'll go ahead and we'll turn it on. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the lamp plugged in here. Huh, okay, pretty cool. And like I said, one is not functional, but we can get a replacement for that, no problem. It's a really, really cool looking lamp. I think you touch it 3 times and it gets brighter. Let's turn the lights out to where we can have a better look in here. Okay. Wow. Magnificent. I'm definitely going to get an amp reader to where I can start doing power ratings with my lamps and my fans. Actually, that'll be something that I can do at the first of the year. I do not know. I do not even know the power rating to this lamp, but I estimate that maybe it's a 60 cycle and 120 volt. I am not exactly sure. I'm sure that Jordan knows about these lamps if he's even had one, or any of you that are watching the video. Love how it just reflects to the room here. Okay, tap it again. Let me step to the other side of the room here. Okay. It's pretty cool. A pretty cool lamp. Very well impressed with this. I love these old really cool lamps like this. Let's see what it looks like in the room here with all the lights turned on. There's my old lamp over there. And here's this one. And then there's the LED overhead lights over here. Pretty cool. Well, okay, everybody. Well, there you go. There is a demonstration of this 18-inch throwaway touch lamp. I hope that you all have enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. And if any of you have any information about this lamp, of where it was manufactured and how old it is, I'd surely appreciate it. Just let me know in the comment box. Well, that'll do it for now, everybody. Good night and bye-bye.